Hi dear friends, so after removing all that stuff that we don't need, like those protections here, I removed them. There was one here, one on the side. I removed that chromed cover here, and I modified the handlebars, the exhaust. I removed that stupid protection that was here from the other side, I don't know what to call it. And yeah, and those saddlebags, middle stuff there, I removed them from the end, from the rear fender. I'm going a step forward, and I decided to build the blinkers or the turn signals from that side to the handlebars like Harley's here. And because we don't have accessories, or this motorcycle is not made to, you know, to have some turn signals on the handlebars, and I don't have enough money to change all the controls and stuff like that, I decided to make a only builder's idea, and handmade builders. Yeah, I bought those turn light signals. They are smaller, nicer than the original ones, the stock ones. And I bought that stuff. I wanted to build it myself, but I found it was cheap. So I decided to get some of them, and I will screw them here. And I will use moment. Yeah. I will use those screws or other screws. I remove them and put that stuff here. So I'm gonna try some stuff, you know. And I decided to get bigger mirrors because I'm not fan from the small mirrors like most of the bikers. Well, actually, I'm a custom culture from the 50s fan, pinstriping and stuff like that, hot rods and old Harleys, penheads and stuff like that. So I'm trying to do my best with that Kawasaki to make it look like what I want. Indian Larry, New York City style of choppers and stuff like that. So I bought these mirrors here, lift to right or live. I had them on my Honda Shadow 600 VLX 600, but I had, and I bought I sold the motorcycle and I bought new ones. Yes. So I'm gonna try to fix it and to build something that I appreciate and like. I hope you like it. I'll take some pictures too. Happy day. See you later. So now, as we can see, I fixed them already here. Here's the clash side. You know, I had to drill a hole here, and yeah, here, and I screw it. And the other side was already easy to do. Yeah. A little bit of middle work. I had to cut those here, the screws, and I had to work a little bit on those metal stuff. So I'm happy. Let's do some electric work. See you. Kannst du blinken? Ja. That's how it looks like.
Einmal links.
Einmal rechts. The right one. Left and right. That looks nice, baby. I love that feeling. Since I was young man. Kid. A horn. It's very loud. 2 horns. That's crazy. It was my dream to have these big left-hand cars and turn signals on the handlebars. That was always my fun stuff, you know. That's cool. See you next time. This is my motorcycle ridden by my friend Tino. And next week I'm gonna walk on his Harley Davidson. I'm gonna walk on his nice thing. I'm gonna make a video from that too. Listen to my new Silvertail stuff. Mach noch mal eine Runde, bitte. Looks cool.
Ja, geht schon los. Lach mal.